Bye. Okay, so, hello, welcome to the Friday concert. I'm having a very fun time. I'm still in Cornwall, and I'm now with Jess. Hello! A very good friend of mine from school, from secondary school, and we're still in touch. And we're here giving the dogs a walk. Can I turn it around? Nope, I can't turn it around from here. Anyway, welcome to the Friday concert. This one's a bit different than normal. I've asked a lot of friends, a lot of amazing musicians to send some stuff in, and that's what they've done. So, grab a drink, right? Grab a drink, make yourself comfortable, and enjoy music from these amazing musicians. Yeah, if I've forgotten anything, I'll say it in the video for the end. So, bye-bye. Bye!
Hey, so I think I'm somewhere between France and Spain. Benjamin told me to meet him and Hida at Cornwall, and well, I think I'm going back to Portugal.
Hallo allemaal, ik ben Sarah en ik speel een postcard solo act voor Benjamin. Het heet Vivir sin aire en op dit moment staan we op het Wad. We liggen voor de kust van Schiermonnikoog. We zijn bijna droog gevallen. Ik sta met mijn voeten in de modder. Met visjes die aan mijn tenen knabbelen. Vivir sin aire gaat over een liefde. Vivir sin aire betekent leven zonder lucht. Hoe graag zou ik zonder lucht willen leven? Hoe graag zou ik zonder water willen leven? Hoe graag zou ik zonder jou willen leven? Hoe graag zou een vogel zonder lucht willen leven? Hoe graag zou een bloem zonder aarde willen leven? Hoe graag zou een vis zonder water willen leven? Como quisiera poder vivir sin aire. Como quisiera poder vivir sin agua. Como quisiera quererte un poco menos. Como quisiera poder vivir sin ti. Pero no puedo, siento que muero, me estoy ahogando sin tu amor. Como quisiera poder vivir sin aire, como quisiera calmar mi aflicción, como quisiera quererte un poco menos. Me encantaría probar tu corazón. la flor crecer sin tierra. Como pudiera un ave volar sin alas. Como pudiera un pez nadar sin agua. Como quisiera poder vivir sin ti. Pero no puedo, siento que muero, me estoy ahogando sin tu amor. Como quisiera poder vivir sin aire, como quisiera agarrar tu corazón, como quisiera poder vivir sin agua. Me encantaría probar tu corazón, como quisiera borrarte en un soplido, como quisiera guardarte en un cajón, como quisiera borrarte en un soplido. Me encantaría matar esta
Oh my god, girl, you would not believe what happened to me today. The first time I met you, my darling, your face was as red as the rose, but now your dear face has grown paler, as pale as a lily white rose. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows. It's the rose that reminds me of you.
Hello guys, hi Benjamin. This is our postcard. Behind the camera is Andrew Hopper. We're in the moment in Rila mountain in the middle of Bulgaria, and as you can see behind me is this fantastic view, very steep down there. We've been hanging around here. We come up now, from up to down, from a hut called Zebrachica, and I'm sending this postcard to you guys. It's a Rhodopian song, not from this mountain, but still a traditional Bulgarian song, which is called Sabrali Sisi Sabrali. Sabrali, malky nemomi srednine, popreli koľko popreli, legnali pasa zaspali, spali sa koľko pospali, prva sa moma razbudi, prva sa moma razbudi, i syna družky vykáše. Stanine družky Davidi, mori komu kakvo je lipsalo. Z mene družky lipsalo, mori hoťonka snažka sukmanče. Vtora mominka vykáše, mene družky lipsalo. Oťonka snažka sukmanče, oťonko krsče kolanče. Treta mominka vykáše, mori mene družky lipsalo. Oťonko krsče kolanče, mori odklava fesče saltanče. Mene družky lipsali, moj nesne šalvare, i sam gi družky začula na visoka planina. Junaci sa gi hotneli, mori vavchavan sa gi zdrobili. Vavchavan sa gi zdrobili, mori na tjutjun sa gi ispili. Vavchavan sa gi zdrobili, mori na tjutjun sa gi ispili. Sabrali sabrali, malky nemomi srednine.
Eu às vezes embarco em conversas banais. Frágil, sinto-me frágil. Frágil, esta noite está frágil. Frágil, já nem consigo frágil. já nem consigo ser ágil, frágil.
Hei alle sammen, mitt navn Julie. Jeg sitter for tida i leiligheten min i Den Haag, men kommer opprinnelig fra et sted som heter Malvik, i nærheten av Trondheim by i Norge. Jeg kjenner Benjamin fra da vi begge studerte på The Royal Conservatory i Den Haag. Og ble selvfølgelig glad da han spurte om jeg og Magnus hadde lyst til å bidra med en liten video til hans postkortkonsertsending. Så vårt postkort da postet i Trondheim. Der har jeg vært siden mars og frem til nå nylig. Og i løpet av den tiden så fikk vi startet opp vår splitter nye duo, Parnassos, som dere nå får høre. Så takk Benjamin for at vi får være med, og jeg håper dere har glede av vårt lille postkort.
Hej hej, hallå! Hälsningar från Trondheim. Mitt namn är Magnus, jag är från Sverige från början, men nu för tiden så sitter jag här uppe i Norge och spelar luta om dagarna. Så vill jag tacka så jättemycket för att jag och Julie fick vara med på ert evenemang. Och jag hoppas verkligen att ni tycker om musiken vi ska spela för er.
No piénsame en no piénsame en que me muero por sus ojos, que si todo vos de aquí no quiero ser más bobo, que si todo vos de aquí no quiero ser más bobo. Para pues bueno una niña, para pues bueno una niña, tan allá entre pocos, que no está bien con el Fénix porque el antiguo es solo, que no está bien con el Fénix porque el antiguo es solo. Oh, qué lindo modo, oh, qué lindo modo, oh, qué lindo, oh, qué lindo modo. Para que lo dejen unos por otros, para que lo dejen unos por otros. El mal gusto de Menguía, el mal gusto de Menguía es una casa de locos. El tema manda al deseo, baila razón al rollo. El tema manda al deseo, baila razón al rollo. Mucha abandona lo vamos, mucha abandona lo vamos, tipo positivo lo hermoso, las que por ser familiar no reparan ser demonio, las que por ser familiar no reparan ser demonio. Oh, qué lindo modo, oh, qué lindo modo, oh, qué lindo, oh, qué lindo modo. Para que lo dejen unos por otros, para que lo dejen unos por otros. Desiguala di capricho, no deja marco ni poco, porque cuenta de lo lindo, más de lo licencioso, porque cuenta de lo lindo, más de lo licencioso, porque cuenta de lo lindo, más de lo licencioso, porque cuenta de lo lindo.
don't know how you feel about this, but we're on the fence. It's a shame you don't get that boat in, isn't it? Sits all alone with a pasty in hand as he's waiting to travel the world. Nobody knows and the future's untold. The spine of his history's unbound. There sits his wife with a child on her knee. She cries, now the day has arrived. And to her he says, "Diogenes, Diogenes, Carenza, I'll see you again late September. Diogenes, Diogenes, Carenza, I'm off to the mines in Muntar."
Hello, I'm Lucinda and I'm a saxophone and clarinet player based in London. I also play the piano and sing, although that is a bit more for fun. But you'll hear a bit of everything from me today and I hope you enjoy all of it. So I just want to say thank you to Benjamin for letting me be part of this concert. Yeah, it's really nice of you to put all this together, so thank you. I've actually known Benjamin for 10 years now, which is a long time because we went to sixth form together in Manchester. And anyway, the first piece I'm going to share with you is Miss You by The Feeling. And this is from their first album, 12 Stops and Home, which I've listened to about 1 million times. So I hope you enjoyed that. And afterwards is my version of When She Loved Me from Toy Story 2 for B-flat clarinet quartets. So it's just me playing all the parts. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed them all, and thank you again, Benjamin, for letting me be part of your concert.
Everyone knows it, and you deny it. I was the only one for you. Everyone knows it, 'cause we couldn't hide it. Nobody else got close. It's true. My love was stronger than you think. Yeah, it's much stronger now I've had a drink. Well, I hope you know that I miss you, and I wonder where you've been, and I wonder who you see, and I hope that he's a friend. Do I miss you? Do I miss you? And I wonder where you've been, and I hope you're with a friend. Everyone knows it, so don't you deny it. We had it all.
Hey everybody, I'm São Joãozinho and I'm in Mato do Bussaco in Portugal on vacation with my girlfriend Eliana, and I'm going to sing Maria Faia for you by Zeca Afonso, Portuguese composer and singer. It's a song about the women who worked in the fields in Malpica do Tejo, a few kilometers south in Portugal. Eu não sei como te chamas, ó Maria Faia, nem que nome te hei de opor, ó Maria Faia, ó Faia Maria. Cravo não que tu és rosa, ó Maria Faia, rosa não que tu és flor, ó Maria Faia, ó Faia Maria. So, for the second stop in our vacation, we are at Coria, with a bit of a different landscape. Não te quero chamar cravo, ó Maria Faia, que te estou a engrandecer, ó Maria Faia, ó Faia Maria. Chamo-te antes espelho, ó Maria Faia, onde espero de me ver, ó Maria Faia, ó Faia Maria. Hey everybody! So vacation is over, me and Eliana are back to our home villages, and I'm in a place close to my parents' place, next to the Faia, ó Faia Maria, abarco-me a mão direita, ó Maria Faia, adeus, ó prenda querida, ó Maria Faia, ó Faia Maria.
Dat is een mooie. Kun je het nog een keer zeggen?
Ja, wanneer zeg maar?
Nu, ja.
Nu? Ik denk dat dit een mooie wordt. Oh! Medium mooi.
Rick, is this still part of the commercial? Kamarajoba, Echla me Cornwall Shiwar, da es Mises Wetze, Aris. Mises Wetze, verga vige, netaura hiro. Rogor mochta tschweni gezebi, orat kairo. Tcharadam cha setis garda, rats mi guarda, rats kim tsam dam tsar sulma, sultan tsairo. Tcharadam cha setis garda, rats mi guarda, rats kim tsam dam tsar sulma, sultan tsairo. molodini arche chwedrebis tit costat chadad ariro at sachwedwri ar chma vedrebis tsar sulma sultan sairo.
Hi everyone, I'm Trisha, but you can call me Ms. Yates. I'm stood here in front of Whitby Abbey, so I'm glad to be able to send this postcard for you in Benjamin's Postcards concert. I first met Benjamin not even a year ago. We were singing together in a commemorative concert for the 75-year anniversary of the Battle of Arnhem. We did Benjamin Britten's War Requiem in that concert, and now moving from one British composer to another, I'm going to sing two movements from George Butterworth's A Shropshire Lad by A.E. Houseman. I hope you all enjoy.
Loveliest of trees, the cherry now is hung with bloom along the bough, and stands about the woodland ride, wearing white for Now of my 80 years and 10, 20 will not come again, and take from 70 springs a score, it only leaves me 50 more. And since to look at things in bloom, 50 springs a little room about the woodlands I will go to see the cherry hung with snow. Is my team ploughing that I was used to drive, and hear the harness jingle when I was man alive? By the horses trample, the harness jingles now, no change though you lie under lads to chase the leather, now I stand up no more. Aye, the ball is flying, the lads play heart and soul, the goal stands up, the keeper stands up to keep the goal. Is my girl happy that I thought hard to leave? And has she tired of weeping as she lies down at eve? Aye, she lies down lightly, she lies not down to weep. Your girl is well contented. Be still, my lad, and sleep. Is my friend hearty? Now I am thin and pine. And has he found to sleep in a better bed than mine? Yes, lad, I lie easy, I lie as lads would choose. I cheer a dead man's sweetheart. Never ask me whose.
Oh, oké. Ik denk dat deze wel een mooie foto gaat worden. Dat ben jij. This land is barren and broken, scarred like the face of the moon. Our tongue so rarely spoken, the towns all around face ruin. Will there be work in New Brunswick? Will I find gold on the Cape if I tunnel way down to Australia? How will I ever escape? Where there's a mine or a hole in the ground, that's where I'm headed for, that's where I'm bound. So look for me under the Lord or inside a vein, where the copper, the clay, where the arsenic and tin flow in your blood and get under your skin. I'm leaving old Cornwall behind and I'm not coming back. So follow me down, Cousin Jack. Hello, me again. I just wanted to say a massive thank you to our soundman and video editor, Jorginho. So please show Joao some love in the comments because he's done an absolutely amazing job of making this week's video and last week's video and getting a load of stuff for Portugal next week. So thank you very much, Joao, and See you soon.
Hello everyone, I'm Takuto. I live in Tokyo. I hope you all stay safe. So now I'm going to play Sarabande from First Partita by Johann Sebastian Bach. Enjoy.
Hey people, this is Instagram influencer, YouTuber, Facebooker Joãozinho, the sound man. For those who wonder, where does wine come from? Well, is it? The grapes. This is the well-known wine we drink at our concerts. From my grandfather. Look at this. Wait, there's more. Come. Hey Benjamin, guess what? Grapes are also crunchy snacks.
Quitter la plaine et la montagne pour danser au tambourin. Quitter la plaine et la montagne pour danser au tambourin. Le bon curé qui pour nous suivre laisse tout, mais qui sait vivre ne voit avec son livre de ce qu'il ne doit pas voir. Et quoi demain les camadules sortiront de leur cellule. Mais quoi demain les camadules sortiront de leur cellule. Puis carême, je les bulle, puis carême, je les bulle. Sur la ville vont pleuvoir. Sur la ville vont pleuvoir. Venez enfants de la Romagne, tous chantons de gai refrains, quittez la plaine et la montagne pour danser au tambourin. Venez enfants de la Romagne, tous chantons de gai refrains, quittez la plaine et la montagne pour danser au tambourin. Venez enfants de la Romagne, tous chantons, chantons de gai refrains, tous quittez la plaine et la montagne pour danser au tambourin. Pour danser au tambourin, pour danser au tambourin. Venez chantons de gai refrains, quittez la plaine et la montagne pour danser au tambourin. Venez chantons de gai refrains, quittez la plaine et la montagne pour danser au tambourin. Pour danser au tambourin.
Hello everybody. This was the end of the concert. I hope you enjoyed listening to all the amazing music. Thank you to all my amazing friends who joined in. I have had a lovely dog walk in the meantime, and I have had pizza with Jess, oh this is a swivel chair, and Jazz, who are, well, Jazz is the brother of Jess. Anyway, this was it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and give us all your puli with the links underneath. PayPal and Tiki, same as always. And what? Did I say something wrong? Apparently I said something wrong. In the background there was frantic pointing and waving. So. Anyway, thank you all so much. Remember, next week we're in Portugal. And yeah, see you there. From Joao will have to say it. Joao, edit yourself in here saying the place name. Bye everyone. Have a lovely week. Stay safe. Bye.